Mga kapuso, this morning let's talk about art, culture, and heritage din sa Cagayan de Oro City. Karong buntaga atong hisgutan ang storya sa adlaw-adlaw natong ginasakyan nga motorela. Asa ba kini naggikan o paunsa kini namugna? Kana ang atong siron gikan kang Sir Oscar Floyrendo, ang anak ni late Rafael Floyrendo Sr. nga mo'y nag-invento sa motorela. Sir Oscar, good morning and welcome din sa At Home with Java Regional TV. How are you this morning, sir?
Okay man, padayon pagyapon ta, surviving, and I'm doing good. Thank you very much. And good morning, maayong buntag sa tanan sa mga kapuso nato sa Mindanao.
Alright, maayo kaya na ka sa maayong kahimtang Sir Oscar. Pero sir, unang-una, di nato malimod no nga ang imong amahan, si late Rafael Floyrendo Sr. gayod ang nag-imbento sa motorela niadtong 1964. Pero sir, atong hisgutan, paunsa ba niya kini unang naisipan? Unsa ba ang idea o inspiration behind this initiative?
As far as my memory serves me right with regards to our conversation sa Papa Nako, iyang naingon kay Nadto, ang local mode of transportation at that time was the tartanilla. Most of the time, during the time. And then, aside from the tartanilla is the sidecar, no? Tricycle, kumbaga, no? The typical three-wheel tricycle mode of transportation. And he was thinking of, he conceived the idea of improving the sidecar, sidecar na principle, no? Na motorcycle na carriage. And he thought of the tartanilla, no? It was it's a horse-drawn carriage. So he thought of, instead of the horse, it's the motorcycle that's on the center, and then it will pull the carriage. Hence the word, kumbaga motorela ang tawag. So he was thinking of coming up with a more well-balanced type of motorcycle-driven vehicle.
Karong panahon na di lamang sa Cagayan de Oro City ug Northern Mindanao apan sa tibuok nasod na Sir Oscar, nagkalat ang motorela nga mapasigarbo gayud sa inyong pamilya tungod sa kontribusyon sa imong amahan. Pero sir, isip anak, unsa ba ang inyong ginabati nga ingon ani kadako ang nahimo sa inyong amahan?
Ang keyword is legacy, no? The legacy. He considers it as his legacy, and he's proud of it. When he was alive, sabi niya, that's my legacy, and I'm happy to contribute something positive for the community of Cagayan de Oro. And I understand it went beyond Cagayan de Oro, no? Sa Cavite, I think, although nag-evolve naman yung design, and sa Bukidnon, I believe, no? I'm not sure if it's the whole Mindanao. Kay lahi-lahi man yung terrain and lahi-lahi og need. So I believe there's another one na paana ang tricycle because of the kind of... So it depends talaga on the needs on a particular place. And ganun talaga, no? That's how inventions or innovations comes up, no?
Alright, karon panahon na sir among nabal-an no kaning aduna kay gimugda nga DYO o Design Your Own Motorela nga imo gayong gikabisihan karong mga panahon na. Unsa bang ideya behind this initiative, Sir Oscar?
I'm an artist. I'm a visual artist, and as much as I can, I pay homage to my dad's legacy, my dad's innovation. And there was a time na amo ginang gihimong actual motorela, tagaan ni mo na mag-design kami mga pitumika artists. And then we have it exhibited at Singapore, the Singapore Art Biennale in 2013. Imagine the motorela in Singapore. It was exhibited for about 4 months in their National Museum. And that's how proud we are, no? And currently, right now, I'm into designing, and I've been doing simple toy designs, no? And in this case, gumawa ako ng mga wooden toy na motorelas. It gives the owner the opportunity to design his own miniature motorela. It's painted in chalkboard paint, available in black or in green, the usual chalkboard. And then nagpakapin na 1 pack of colored chalks, and they can, design and decorate their own motorela, and then erase it if they don't want it anymore. You can do another design, no? And these are for kids and and adults. So that's my latest creation. It's a partnership with my brother, and we plan to launch it very soon. Di-launch lang na akong prototype, but hopefully ma-formally launch na namang production.
Nako, hopefully magpadayon gayon ug mas mulambo pa mga inisyatibo nga ginahimo ninyo managsuon, Sir Oscar. Pero sir, this morning, aduna ba kay mensahe ngadto sa mga kapusong Cagayanon ingon man mga kapusong Mindanawan nga naglantaw karong buntaga?
Mga kapuso, no? Salamat sa oportunidad na to share our experience and the legacy of our dad. We are proud of this. And unsa lang kita, padayon lang kita sa atong inobasyon. I'm sure we have our very own challenges na that is contemporary to our times. Igamit lang gid nato ang atong pagka-innovative to hurdle those challenges kay lahi na ang challenges karon kumpara kay nadto. So again, innovation lang kita, innovation, and daghang salamat.
Daghang salamat Sir Oscar Floyrendo sa imong oras nga gihatag diri sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Keep on inspiring sir ug amping kanunay.
Daghang salamat, amping sa inyo tanan.
Mga kapuso, standby lang kay mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.